Why are you asking me? That's why I'm asking you, right? Because I don't know. So what did you do this weekend? Where? Okay. So can you tell me something about the swimming pool? Or describe the place where you went?
There is hotter than here.
It's hotter than here.
It's hotter and in the swimming pool, lots of people.
What else?
Skin is black.